And now lastly, what will the Fed break? Almost every time the Fed starts raising rates, they break something. So if you look back in 1970, cranking rates, Penn Central, one of the biggest railroads. 1974, Franklin National Bank, one of the biggest banks back then. In early 80s, broke all of Latin America. Again, why? Because they issued debt in dollars. And with interest rates skyrocketing, the dollar shooting up because currencies follow rates, cratered all of Latin America that took them 30 years to work through. How about the stock market crash in '87? Or the S&L crisis, which really has its roots back to the early 80s, but then finally gave in '88 through '92. And then how about '94, Mexico? And I threw in Orange County. Remember Orange County went bankrupt. Then you had the tech bubble in 2001. And then obviously the great financial recession, the housing bust, the collapse of Lehman Brothers and Bear Stearns. Every time the Fed goes on a big rate hike, they're going to break something. And in fact, the whole pension system in England was under severe strain, and their central bank had to step in to help solve that problem recently. So my guess is at some point in the next 6 months, it could be a series of large pension funds, investment fund, big financial entity, Credit Suisse is having big problems right now, or a couple foreign governments that hit crisis mode.